Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, everyone. This is Azra Khan from Traveling with Mindful Azra. Today I'm here at the mall, Spotsylvania Mall, and I want to show you that spot where I used to work. I started working at this spot. Now they changed a lot over here, but my chaos was on this spot right now, right here. And I used to work here 9 to 6, and whenever I come here, I feel like I am still in the past, because I had lots of memories around this area. Right now it's early, so the stores are closed, but people start walking. And when I was working here, it was I used to meet so many beautiful people, like these old couple is walking around, and I met so many people, and I used to make friends, and I used to make customers, because I was working here and ladies were walking around, and I used to say hello to them, and they always come to my shop, and then they buy something from me every day. So this is like a memory lane. I know you guys goes to lots of malls, but this is something I wanted to share with you, my little spot. And this is where I learned how to deal with people and how to sell, which I never knew before. And I think for the longest time, for 2 years, I worked here, and then I worked with so sincerity that my owner, she really appreciated me, and she gave me, when she was moving to another location, she gave me the beautiful diamond ring. I used to love that diamond ring. Whenever I used to put all the the jewelry around the and in the displays. So life was so amazing. That was the time when I came to America in 2003, and I never knew how to deal with how to deal with Americans and how to make friends, and I was just a stranger here. But then very soon I just built my relationships, I built my fresh friendships, and I think that's what made a big difference in my life. And so this is what I would like to share with you. This is my kind of a memory lane, which I am looking at it right now. And I think, as my father told me long time ago, कि always remember where you started. And I think I will never forget this spot where I used to come every day in summer, fall, and snow. And I used to travel by bus, local bus, and but that was the time when I really enjoyed my life, because I felt I was independent. I felt that I could do it, and that's what made my life so rewarding. So this is something I just wanted to share with you. Thank you so much for liking my page. Please subscribe and like and then comment. I would appreciate if you subscribe my channel and let me know if you like it. Thank you so much, and see you soon.